It is great to have you back here at Coin Lady channel. If the courts found that Ripple continued to violate U.S. securities rules following the 2020 lawsuit, the company may face legal consequences and be forced to shut down. The SEC requested a $2 billion fine and an injunction prohibiting Ripple from selling XRP to institutional buyers in their opening brief regarding remedies. Furthermore, the outcome of the case could have a significant impact on plant growth in the United States. More skepticism might befall XRP. Many investors are of the belief that in July 2023, the SEC will appeal the ruling on the programmatic sales of XRP. Automated XRP sales do not satisfy the third requirement of the Howey test, according to Judge and Elisa Torres. While the appeals process is ongoing, some have speculated that the SEC may reject requests for the XRP SPY ETF. It is possible that the appeals procedure may continue until 2025 if the Ripple case is decided this summer. An XRP spot ETF market was discussed by Brad Garlin, Ripple's CEO, this week. In his prediction, the first XRP spot ETF might see approval in the year 2025. Petition for a preliminary injunction awaiting a final decision in the case of SEC versus Coinbase. Court action in the SCV currency base case, however, might halt the SEC's intentions to contest XRP's programmatic sales. The decision on the Coinbase's motion for interlocutory appeal is awaited by investors. Having had its request to dismiss mostly denied in September 2023, Coinbase moved for interlocutory appeal in April. Massachusetts attorney and candidate for state representative Johnny Deaton had hoped that the SEC would resolve the Ripple case. Given the ongoing regulatory hurdles, the SEC may be pressured to abandon its plans to appeal the U.S. Ripple case rulings if the court approves the Coinbase MTD. Despite this, the likelihood of a compromise is low. The XRP Ledger X Real Fund, established by Ripple, will serve the Japanese and Korean markets. Its goal is to spread XRP Ledger innovation across the Asia-Pacific area, focusing on Japan and Korea in particular. Rumor has it that the fund is part of Ripple's bigger March 2022 pledge to give 1 billion XRP to developers who support the network. Regardless, the fund's stated goal is to deepen Ripple's dedication to blockchain innovation by supporting local businesses, forming partnerships, and investing in startups. Because of their prominence as global hubs for blockchain innovation, Ripple appears to be targeting Japan and Korea. The company's expansion is accelerating in the Asia-Pacific region, and it intends to maintain its focus on this market as it seeks to promote the use of Bitcoin payment services. The partnership between Ripple and the Tokyo-based Hashkey DX, which offers supply chain financing solutions powered by XRPL, is remarkable. If it wants to enhance its payment choices, they're in Japan. In a discussion on the challenging regulatory climate in the U.S., Brad Garlin House, CEO of Ripple, brought up the establishment of DSB Ripple Asia in partnership with SBI Holdings. The reaction in the Asia-Pacific area has been quite positive, in contrast. Since December 2020, the Blockchain Corporation in the USSC has been involved in a legal dispute. What does XRP have in store for official Expo NFTs for attendees of the World Expo 2025? The commission charged Ripple with using unregistered securities offerings to raise more than $1.03 billion, but a U.S. district judge and Elisa Torres decided that XRP is not. Plus, Sega on the XRP ledger, Japan's tokens will be distributed. Having established its Singaporean headquarters in 2017. Upon acquiring a full license to operate in the Asia-Pacific area, Ripple widened its presence in the region. A stable coin tied to the dollar is in the works for introduction by the Blockchain Corporation. It is likely to take place this year, according to Monica Long, the head of the organization. Despite the lack of confidence surrounding the litigation in the previous 90 days, XRP is still facing severe selling pressure. A 30% drop is the price. Both on a yearly and 20-year basis, it is still declining. Indeed, the average price of XRP is 485 cents right now. There was an $80 to $142 billion surge in its 24-hour trading volume. A new fund has been established by the San Francisco-based blockchain startup Ripple to advertise the XRP ledger in Japan and South Korea. It has used funds from its war fund to accomplish this. Using its $1 billion XRP war chest, the corporation has sponsored this new endeavor. According to Yoshikawa and the CEO of Ripple, tens of millions of dollars will be required for corporate collaborations, investments, and developer awards in the future. Ripple initially pledged this cash in April to multiple XRPL initiatives. If you believe Yoshikawa, the two most important Asian countries for blockchain technology are Japan and South Korea. Ripple has long been a major player in the Asia-Pacific region. CEO Brad Garlinghouse has often praised Japan's XRP-friendly policies and has even hinted at the potential of moving the company's global headquarters there. After forming a partnership with Tokyo-based Hashkey Diags in April, Ripple expanded its presence in Japan. In May, the XRP ledger became operational with the help of SBI, VC Trade, a cryptocurrency trading giant in Japan. Yoshikawa claims this is a monumental change for the XRP ledger. Projects from Japan and South Korea were also funded in the seventh wave of the XRPL Awards program. Various initiatives in Japan and Korea that aim to foster innovation on the XRPL ledger are being supported by the fund. The official statement states that these include community development, commercial relationships, and early investment support for developers. Notably, the fund is part of a larger $1 billion XRP commitment to support developers working on the XRP ledger and strategic business innovator group. The SBI has been a long-time Ripple partner in Japan, and in 2023, it announced it will expand its international remittance services to countries in Asia, including Indonesia, the Philippines, and Vietnam, using XRP and Ripple products. According to the most current announcement, Ripple is competing with Quick and other worldwide competitors as a remittance platform. Leader of Ripple regarding the SWIFT and Ripple's products, Brad Garlinghouse stated last week, "For the past half-century or more, SWIFT has been around. Not much has changed in that period, and that is the most aggravating thing for all of us that use it. It is expensive, sluggish, and, to be honest, error-prone, according to its design. As per certain polls, problems that bounce back and take days to resolve occur in 6 out of every 10 attempts to send a quick transaction. The XRP transaction and money movement happen in real time, and Garlinghouse continued for us. For many of our customers, the ability to open an account without funding it in advance is a compelling feature. Furthermore, it is immediate, and our customers include international banks. If you pre-fund your account via SWIFT, the funds will sit idle in other banks around the world. The Ripple network and XRP are available for usage in our payment system. A big worry as Ripple grows internationally is not having enough money to pay for the SEC v Ripple case. The demand for XRP among buyers remained unaffected by any developments regarding the SEC v Ripple case or the programmatic sales of XRP. But XRP still has its work cut out for it due to the uncertainty of the Ripple case's outcome and the SEC's plan to appeal the programmatic sales of XRP ruling. In March, the SEC filed its opening brief with the courts, outlining their plans to grow their U.S. business after the programmatic sales of XRP verdict. An injunction could have a significant impact on these plans, depending on whether U.S. judges find that post complaint trades violate U.S. securities laws. The video ends there. Support my channel with a like and a subscription. Coming up shortly, farewell.